Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record higher quality gaming videos on Windows 11. If you want your gameplay recordings to look sharper and more professional, this guide will help you adjust the settings quickly and easily. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, look for the Gaming section and click on it. Then, click on Captures. After that, find the Video Quality setting and select High. This option ensures your recordings are captured in better resolution and clarity, making your gameplay videos look more professional. Keep in mind that selecting higher video quality may slightly affect your game performance, depending on your system specifications. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends.